Have you ever hit bottom in your parenting journey?
Have you ever felt like everything is going wrong?
Like you're the worst parent?
Like you've messed up your child?
Like it's never gonna get better?
We have to. Let's talk about it.
Hi, we're Jarrett and Louisa Went with Built on Rock Parent Coaching.
I remember one night after putting the kids to bed just crying because I was feeling like I was failing as a mother.
The tantrums, the chaos, the guilt, it all felt overwhelming.
Maybe you've been there too. The pile of dishes in the sink after another long day, the sibling fight that left everyone in tears, or the bedtime routine that feels more like a marathon than a happy landing.
That's why we're here. That's why we're parent coaches. Because over and over, the things that we tried and that were supposed to work for us and our kids didn't.
But here's the good news. Actually, the great news is that hitting rock bottom is the best place to build on rock.
We are never alone in this journey. What is sometimes impossible and hopeless for us is possible for God.
Every time we bottom out, He has a plan ready for us. A breakthrough He is going to give us. A deep work He will do in us.
Parenting for some of us often feels like Good Friday, full of suffering and loss.
But remember, Easter Sunday always follows. God uses those hard moments to transform us.
The world tells us to despair or double down on control, but we, people of faith, cry out in prayer, wait on the Lord, and look with hope and expectation for the power of God to open the tomb and bring new life to ourselves, our parenting, and our family.
So where will God break into your life next?
Will it be a special insight or an unshakable peace?
Will it be the determination to study deeper into a parenting system?
Or maybe it will be the conviction to reach out for help, guidance, and coaching.
Here's a small step you can take today. Tonight, after you tuck your kids in, take 2 minutes to pray. God, I trust you with my parenting journey. Show me the next step. It's simple, but it opens the door for Him to work.
We would love to walk with you on this journey. We're building out content as fast as we can, and we pray it helps you.
And if you're ready to take the next step, our one-on-one parent coaching is right here, ready to meet you where you're at. Let us join you in building something beautiful from the broken pieces.
If you know a parent who needs hope today, please share this video with them. You never know how God might use it to encourage them in their journey.
Wherever God is leading you next, we are praying for you, for the next resurrection and golden age, for your parenting journey and your family.
What if the moments that feel like the end are actually the beginning of something beautiful? Remember, God is so good, and rock bottom is the best place to build on rock.
Something great is coming. Reach out and let us know what you're struggling with, or share the resurrection God gives you.
God bless you and your family.
See you next time.